Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we've got to move quite fast. First reason, bit of a cold coming on, so we need to power through that for today at least. And also from tomorrow onwards for the next 10 days it's constantly raining, and the sale of this house is moving quite quickly now, so we're going to be completing very soon. But however, today we've got to get the solar system unwired and we've got to get the panels down in the back garden. And it has been raining this morning, but it's not going to be raining for the afternoon, so I'm going to get everything disconnected in here, everything disconnected out there, get the panels off the pergola, into the house, cleaned up, wrapped, ready to go. Yeah, so lots to do. Let's crack on.
When my mind gets tired of waiting, it'd be wasted time to save this. Is it so wrong to wanna walk away from all the changes?
Nothing quite like working in a tiny little cupboard. Right, so first things first, what we need to do, we need to isolate the panels outside so there's no feed from them. We then need to isolate the batteries from the inverter system, and then we can start wiring it all. De-wiring it all, should I say. Other than that, crack on. Screwdriver time. Isolate the panels. There we go. Right, panels cut off. Now it's time to isolate the battery. Right, that's it. Hose system's on. This one's now gone dead. The batteries have been isolated. The solar panels are isolated. So this is all now safe to work on. So let's pull it apart.
That's the trouble with love. You never know when to give up. But it through the long days, wishing I could see your face.
So we need to disconnect the PV panels from outside. There's our battery terminals, and there's our AC output. So let's get to work. Sports fans, cover back on, screws in, and we are done with the inverter. Here we go, inverter safe, unwired, ready to go. Battery time. Right, here we go. So now we're removing all the cabling from the batteries. Obviously, I'm going to remove all the live wires first. And then we'll move all the ground ones. It doesn't really matter because now currently the ends of them are not connected to anything. So yeah, let's get on with it. Let's go.
Chasing moments, but they're fading in the dark now. I'm sinking in a deep end. Leave me on the cold ground.
Done over the grounds. Right, battery disconnected, everything is now safe. Let's move to the garden. This is gonna hurt, it's gonna be heavy. But yeah, let's get it done. Nope. they're all gonna snap onto the third. Place your bets on whether this one will snap. Ready? Now I need to do the front. Oh, we've got a winner. That was actually undoing. I know. No, don't worry about it because it's now just buggered the frame that goes through. Always a challenge. Right, now we know it's done, let's speed things up because you get quite bored else, and we'll time lapse the rest of them coming down. See you in a moment.
Thinking and I close my eyes, everything is black and white. I can tell if we're getting closer. Running up against the tide, I could go my whole life playing this thing just over and over. And won't you come and put it to rest now, baby? Can't you feel the ground when your arm is shaking? Tell me how do you have it now? Yeah, hold it with your guard up, your guard up. With your guard up.
So I'm going to take down this cable that runs the house, but we've got a feeling it's full of stagnant water and this is going to be icky. Right, these are the last ones holding the loop, the saggy loop up. Got a feeling it's full of water. It's going to stink. I know it's going to stink. Ready? Oh, not gonna lie, there's a bit of a rancid smell arising from the floor. So the mission today was to get the solar panels down. We've done that. Mission successful. It is now towards the end of the day, and it was my birthday a couple of days ago, so we've now decided we're going to stop and have a bottle of wine. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Go out every day with your guard.